Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord is most popularly known as a chat app for gamers, enabling them to tell expletives and curse each other's mother with ease. Yet the blinding white windows of Discord divide them can throw off the dark RGB lit vibe, shining star and unfluttering light on your shameful behavior. Fortunately, Discord does have a softer dark mode, so you can continue to sit in the dark and ignore unpleasant truths about the type of person you have become. So how to do it, how to turn on your dark mode on Discord? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now you can just go to settings by tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the gear icon on here. And you can just scroll down. On app setting, you can just choose on appearance. Here, tap on themes. Here you can choose from light to dark. And there's two type of dark mode in here. This one, the dark and the midnight. And if you upgrade your Discord to premium, you can get this theme on your Discord. But I will just choose on dark. Now we can go back, so you have turned on the dark mode on your Discord. It's a simple, right? So that is how to turn on Discord on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!